Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm the shower door specialist at Mincey Marble. This video is going to demonstrate the proper care and maintenance for the Napoli straight barn door shower enclosure. There are two screw caps that hold the fixed glass panel to the guide rail. With the special tool, make sure these are tight. There are two guide rail end caps located on the guide rail. You want to make sure that they're flush against the wall and all four set screws are tight. Repeat this process on the other end cap on the other side. The door stops are designed to protect the glass from hitting the wall. Make sure that they are properly adjusted and tight. This door stop is designed to protect the fixed glass from the shower door handle. Make sure that it's properly adjusted and tight. When you close the door, the seal should be flush against the wall. As you can see at the bottom, there is a gap. To close this gap, you will need to adjust the rollers. To close the gap at the bottom, you will need help to lift the glass to remove the weight off the roller. Lowering the roller will raise the glass to close the bottom. To adjust the roller, loosen the center screw, and when the roller is up, the glass is down. When the roller is down, the glass goes up. And retighten your center screw. The bottom roller needs to be tight against the guide rail. Adjust the roller to where it's tight against the guide rail. Retighten the center screw. By lowering the roller, it raised the glass up to close the gap at the bottom. The rollers need to be tight and flush against the glass. Install the handle with one plastic washer on each side of the glass with the protective screw sleeve. The door handle should be tight and flush against the glass. The center door guide should be tight and also in line with the door glass. The doors should move freely inside the center door guide. The diverter bar and end caps should be tight. There are two F seals, one on the door and one on the fixed glass. Make sure they are present to avoid any water leakage. The U-channels and diverter bar needs to have silicone on the inside and out.